Okay, so what is the secret to charisma? Big question, $1 million question. Here's what I think, and it's something that was taught to me by the very brilliant and very funny Helen Lederer, who is a stand-up comedian. And she said way back when, I think it's really important to like your own energy. It's massive in a world of Insta Reels and social media where we are constantly looking at others and comparing ourselves against others. To be able to really tune into our own energy, our own metabolism, and most importantly, as much as possible, get out of the visual sense, looking at social, comparing yourself, and tune into your own energy, your inner body, your breath, your blood flow, your organs. Get centered in that, and you start to like your own energy, and that is the secret.